Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is an important update I want to share with you. It's regarding the fresh representation was made to NMC regarding postponement of NEET PG 2023 examination. As per the order given by the Telangana High Court, that they should give a fresh representation to NMC and then let NMC decide with their reasonings. Okay, so they have given a reply to that representation in public and is available on the NMC website, and this is the official one which came just few minutes back. Okay, and I'll tell you like what it says. Before that, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe this channel if you want to get update regarding the Supreme Court hearing which is going to happen today, and in like few hours you will get the hearing live update. For that you can join our Telegram group. The link is given in the description of this video. You can also follow us on Telegram and follow us on Twitter, where there also you can get the current updates. So the updates will be shared with you, and you can contact us for any kind of doubt, counseling services, and on all such things. Okay, so coming to this representation reply, which it's good that they gave it official. Okay, and I'll tell you what. So it's of 4 pages. Okay, so let's see what is the crux. Okay, so the representation were made on 17th of February. Okay, as we knew like all these things were going on. Okay, so this is the reasoning they have given. The date of examination was already fixed 6 months in advance, and notice first of all they made sure that why this representation was made. So point number 5 says, whereas the ground mentioned for the request of postponement of the examination as mentioned in the representation is as under. The date of completion of internship was extended to 11th of August, okay, through a notice on 7th February, and they became eligible only after extension of the cutoff date for the completion of internship, right? Earlier the eligibility date was 31st of March, then it was extended up to 30th of June, and then further it got extended up to 11th of August. So the candidate who were not eligible earlier as per the initial date, that was 31st of March, they got eligible only after the extension of the date. Okay, they and similarly placed 18,000 doctors will not get sufficient times. So there was a request that 18,000 candidates who got eligible after the extension of the internship date, they won't get the sufficient time for preparation of the exam. In the reply, they have mentioned the exam was already fixed 6 months back in advance, and a notice in this regard was placed on NV website on 16th of September. Initially, when the cutoff date for the completion of internship was 31st March, more than 2 lakh candidates had already registered. Okay, when the cutoff date was 31st of March, and had no any objection regarding the date of exam. So they are keeping this point in their favor that the candidate who registered, they were not in a position, they were not opposing the examination date 5th of March. Okay, because there was not much of gap between the internship date and the examination date. Okay, point number C, after representation from various states, government universities, the cutoff date for internship was extended to 11th of August. And now the point here is, and surprisingly only 5,000 additional applications were received. Okay, they have the data, so they can only tell only 5,000 additional applications were received, which constitutes about only 2% of total candidates who are going to take exam after extension of the eligibility. Okay, so only 2% of the total candidates, okay, were demanding for the postponement as per their data. Postponing the exam will create a problem for 98% of the students who have been studying and preparing for NEET PG from last 6 months. Okay, all the preparation are over for the test to be conducted at more than 800 centers for more than 2 lakhs students, and academic session is planned to be started in July 2023 or as early as possible after counseling. See this point, I agree with all the points, but how this point is possible? The academic session is planned to be started in July when your internship is going to complete by 11th of August. Then are you going to conduct the counseling for different candidates who are going to complete the counseling who are going to complete the internship by 11th 31st of March separately, and those who are going to complete their internship by 11th of August separately. Then how you can assure that the session will be planned to start in July? Because I see the no counseling is possible before internship completion, that is before August 11. So this is a contradictory statement which can be raised in the Supreme Court hearing. Okay. Now they say, therefore, representation dated 20 February and 17th February, okay, are disposed of, and it is informed that the exam will be conducted on the scheduled date 5th of March, and this comply the order and judgment dated 15th of so they are disposing this representation with all these reasonings. Okay, so this is all, and I have mentioned the points like they are claiming that only 2% of the candidates are demanding for the postponement, and there is in the contradiction as per the Telegram group where more than 11,000 candidates are there, and they have received more than 40,000 form filled up, okay, with their with their number and all the details, okay. So they have the proof that these many candidates are trying for postponement, okay, and they say that it's just 2% on the base of like these many 5,000 applications were received, and this is the very contradictory statement they have given, that how the academic session can be planned from July. Okay, we'll discuss, and you can also comment on these things from your side. If I'm not able to understand, you can tell like how is possible. Okay, now coming to the Supreme Court case hearing, which is listed as on today, and I was giving the update about what is going on, and there is WebEx link also. In the WebEx links, you don't message, you just be on the receiver side, because there is no use of messaging over there. Okay, they might block that live streaming also. Okay, and you can, in the Telegram group, you can find all the updates like what is going to happen, and also all this hearing you can watch live. Okay, and hope for the best, like what happens in Supreme Court. The case number, diary number, okay, courtroom is 14, and our serial number is 53. Okay, right now it was going around some 25 serial number has reached, so still it will take like it will be happening in afternoon after the lunch session. Okay, so that's all the update, and stay tuned to Telegram group where your fate will be decided whether it will postpone or not. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.